Hi, this is Mallory. I am about to show y'all the Georgia standards. I'm an early childhood education major, so this is where I go to find the standards that we need to teach. Right here, you can see all the different subjects, and then if you click on it like this, you can see the grade level for each standard. So if we're going to do K through 5 mathematics, you can click right here to the standards. It'll go to that. And here are all the different types of standards that you will have to teach if you're teaching elementary math. If you need another subject, like I said, you can just go ahead and exit out of that. Go back over here and get any of the ones you want. That's social studies. Click on Georgia Standards of Excellence for Social Studies and wait on it to load. And there we go. It's kindergarten through 12th grade. All the standards you need. Kindergarten, scroll down to first grade, and then so forth. So that's about it. It's pretty boring, but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.